scones, huh?
Yes,
Okay.
we're gonna make scones. When you understand the process, they can be easy, and you can throw in any fruit you've got in your pantry or fridge, and we'll make a mixed berry scone today.
Okay.
The dry of our scone is gonna be 2 flours, all-purpose, and then a whole wheat pastry flour. We add in sugar and then a scone chemical mixture, which includes salt, baking powder, and baking soda.
Okay.
We'll cut each one into thirds. Yep. Then when we have the butter all in, we'll toss in any frozen fruit you want. We're gonna put in the half and half.
Okay.
Drop it over.
Get every little bit.
Get every little bit, it's all good. But we still have a lot of dry, so we work it again. Exactly. And get one dough so that it really sticks together.
Okay.
I think the fruit is gonna make it wetter too.
That's right, that's what it is. And it's
There we
cold.
go. We want to do a final mix by
Right.
packing it into this form. We push it into the,
Okay, so
Go
you're forming
ahead.
it into this guy.
There
Wow,
we
I'm
go.
working for my food today.
sure are. We'll flip it over. And then you can cut it into 8s. And you can get 4 rows of 4 if you like.
Come on, stay with me.
Yep. And you can repack them too if they refuse to stay together.
He is. Stay together.
There we go.
So look at these beauties. Oh boy.
Oh boy. We've baked these in an oven that's about 410 degrees for about 22 minutes. But more than that, because no oven is the same and no calibration is the same, you want to look underneath and make sure you have a really golden bottom.
Okay.
Let's make sure they're good.
Oh yeah. Buttery.
Mm-hmm. Good.
Crunchy, buttery.
And rhubarb.
I love rhubarb, by the
It's
way.
very Alaskan. We're buying rhubarb from our community right now for $1 a pound.
Oh my God.
And we're like, oh cool, we'll run that
Wow.
program through June, but we had
No.
to shut it down. We got so much rhubarb in the first week. Because everybody's like, take all my rhubarb, I want all the Fire Island credit. You guys too.
Dope. Haven't loved rhubarb.
Good. We got you, man.
Fabulous.